July 23rd, 2014. Current time is 10 o'clock GMT. Jay Misley here with a daily Forex trading outlook. We have a day where there's no news coming out of the U.S., so the focus stays on stocks again and geopolitics, although the market continues to shrug off geopolitics and trade in its own world. Let's take a look at the euro dollar, which broke out yesterday through 134.75. I pointed out the risk on Monday, and for some time now, and we've only broke down through that key level, and now that becomes pivotal on the upside. Right here is your 134.75 level, and if you look at the charts here, you have a, according to this one anyway, you have a support. This is a daily chart, by the way. Looks like some support around the 134 level, and then below that is 132.94. You can see why this is the key target. So the key levels here are 134.75, which is now a minor resistance, and the high overnight came within 2 pips of it. Then you have 134.95, which was yesterday's U.S. session high, and of course 135. If we come back to 135 and start trading around it, then we go into one of those consolidation patterns. If we stay below 134.75, the risk is first to 134.50, and you know how I think about the 50 level in the absence of any nearby support. So far we've paused above it. If 134.50 holds, then the focus stays on 75 to the figure. If 134.50 gives way, then the market has very little until 134 the figure. As you can see, the risk is down, and the question is whether it does make a straight run at 134, or does it consolidate, as has been the pattern every time it makes a new low, so it seems. The euro weakness is more evident on its crosses. Look at the strength of the Aussie overnight, and even versus the yen. The sterling has given way a little bit today after BOE minutes, and this is where we stand right now. It's kind of if this was a dollar move, the euro would be at 130, heading for 125. Instead, a lot of the euro selling gets siphoned off into crosses, as you well know, and that's where we are right now. This we'll skip quickly to the 1 hour chart, and on the 1 hour chart, this is what I've been pointing out. This is the green line. This is the 100-hour moving average. It's 135.10. You can see here how it tracked it. It's been tracking it 200-hour actually also, but the 100-hour has been, we had a brief flip above it here. We held yesterday perfectly, and now we're 135.10. So we'd have to at least move above the 100-hour moving average to say we've seen a bottom for now. Otherwise, it's 134.50 is the level to watch on the downside right now. 134.75 to 95 protects 135 the figure. Said no news out of the U.S. Canadian retail sales, and the RBNZ policy meeting overnight tomorrow will be the key event. Otherwise, if you look here, and I've posted my articles here, this article right here, why the euro dollar will move lower. I wrote this yesterday, actually the night before. It is a very good article. Look at that circle here. It gives you why and when the euro dollar will move lower. I strongly suggest you read it. Otherwise, good luck, good trading today. Could be a consolidation day. It really depends on whether 134.50 holds and whether 134.75 on top can hold as well.